Tripcom Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're planning a trip, the Tripcom app promises to simplify bookings for flights, hotels, and more, but does it really make travel easier? One major pro is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking booking multiple travel services requires multiple apps. Tripcom combines flights, hotels, car rentals, and even activities in one platform. You can search, compare prices, and complete reservations without switching between different services. Another advantage is competitive pricing. The app frequently offers discounts and flash deals, helping you save on hotels and flights. Price alerts notify you of changes so you can book at the optimal time. For international travelers, the app supports multiple currencies and languages, making planning smoother. Tripcom also provides itinerary management. You can view bookings in one place, receive notifications about flight delays, and access e-tickets directly in the app. This reduces stress and keeps your travel organized. However, there are cons. Some users report that customer service can be slow when issues arise, and cancellations or changes may involve extra fees. The app occasionally experiences glitches with certain bookings or international flights. Reviews and ratings on hotels can also be inconsistent, so double-check before booking. In conclusion, the Tripcom app offers a centralized and convenient way to manage travel bookings. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines planning and offers cost-saving deals, travelers still need to verify details and stay aware of potential service issues. For frequent travelers or those looking to book everything in one place, Tripcom is a valuable tool. Using it carefully and cross-checking important details ensures a smooth travel experience.